This week I learned from Asha was how to incorporate AI, also known as Appreciative Inquiry. This strategy allows an organization to identify its positive core strengths that are relative to the topic being addressed, and these create concrete steps to achieve its goal. We must also understand and examine the very words themselves, what it means to appreciate and inquire. The first step in AI is planning, and this is my example. For many years, our company has always strived to be number one in our safety of our customers and employees. We have security at both entrances, and people often tell us how safe they feel while shopping in our stores. We called a meeting, expressed ideas and thoughts. How can we make this better? The second step is execution, discussing how much this will cost the company and hiring additional security. It is important that all employees are on board with the newly implemented safety precautions. So whatever we learn from this will be the playbook for going forward. And the last step is reflection. Every system has something that is working and gets the job done, but it can always be improved. This sharpens the visions and inspires for a change. In the future, I can see me using AI by developing a better relationship with my family and enable them to express emotions and develop stronger and more meaningful relationships to carry them through life.